So there have been posts on social media this weekend about the new Mavic 3 version 2.0, like this. But if you would have watched the video that I just made recently, that was the C1 certification, which came for the Mavic 3 and the Mavic 3 Cine and the Mavic 3 Classic. This is only available in Europe, and it just allows you to fly a little bit easier than you would do if you didn't have it. So those in the UK can't really do this. But there's no new drone. There is not a new version 2. I will post pictures here of my version 2. This is the sticker that comes in the box. Actually, I have to put on the box. So I did say in the video that I didn't do it, but I did do it, and this is to show you here. See, you can actually see version 2.0. So there is no new version coming out of Mavic 3 that we know of, okay? When you see the 2.0, it's the C1 certification and it's for Europe only, and it just changes the software and allows us to fly a little bit more easily. Don't get your hopes up, guys. Sorry, and be careful what you read out there because it's not always true. After all, it is social media. But I hope at least you fly safe.